Spring Apps instance. Completed 200 XP. 5 minutes. An Azure Spring Apps cluster can be created by using either the Azure portal or the Azure CLI. In this first module, we'll configure the necessary tools and create our first cluster. Avoid unnecessary charges in your Azure subscription. Remember to deprovision your Azure resources when you finish this module. If it isn't already installed on your machine, install the Azure CLI. You can check the version of your current Azure CLI installation by running bash AZ version. Ensure your Azure CLI is logged into your Azure subscription. Bash AZ login hashtag sign into an Azure account AZ account show hashtag see the currently signed in account. Ensure that your default subscription is the one you intend to use for this lab. If not, set the subscription bash AZ account set subscription underscore extension for Azure CLI by running bash AZ extension add end spring Y. Congratulations, the Azure CLI is now ready to create your first cluster. Create an Azure Spring Apps instance. In this section, we create our Azure Spring Apps instance using Azure CLI. It's possible to do exactly the same configuration using the Azure portal. First, you need to come up with a name for your Azure Spring Apps instance. The name must be unique among all Azure Spring Apps instances across all of Azure. Consider using your username as part of the name. The name can contain lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens. The first character must be a letter. The last character must be a letter or number. The value must be between 4 and 32 characters long. Set the variable resource underscore group underscore name to the name of the resource group created in the previous section. Set the variable spring underscore cloud underscore name to the name of the Azure Spring Apps instance to be created. Be sure to substitute your own values for resource underscore group underscore name and spring underscore cloud underscore name as described above. Spring underscore cloud underscore name must be globally unique. Bash resource underscore group underscore name spring underscore cloud underscore name equals Azure Spring variable set. You can now create your resource group. In the following script, the resource group is located in the Eastus region, using the L Eastus argument, but you can choose a region closer to you for better performance. Use AZ account list locations to list regions. Bash AZ group create backslash G $resource underscore group underscore name backslash L Eastus. And then create the Azure Spring Apps instance. AZ Spring create backslash G $resource underscore group underscore name backslash and $spring underscore cloud underscore name backslash. This command takes time to complete. You can continue reading while it completes. For the remainder of this workshop, we'll run Azure CLI commands referencing this same resource group and Azure Spring Apps instance. So let's set them as defaults so we don't have to specify them again. AZ configure defaults group equals resource underscore group underscore name. Defaults spring equals $spring underscore cloud.